How do you prefer to use honey in your daily routine, toast, or something more creative, especially as you've gotten older? Hey there, welcome back to Health Haven. For those over 50, incorporating honey into your daily routine can be a game changer for your health. Here's why. Top 10 benefits of honey. 1. Bone health. Maintaining strong bones is critical as we age. Some studies suggest that honey, particularly when combined with calcium-rich foods, may support bone health by enhancing calcium absorption and promoting bone density, which is crucial in preventing osteoporosis. 2. Rich in antioxidants. As we age, our bodies need more protection against oxidative stress. Honey is packed with antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help neutralize free radicals. This can slow down aging, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. 3. Boosts immune system. Keeping your immune system strong is vital, especially after 50. Honey has natural antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Regular consumption can enhance your immune system, making it easier to fight off infections, including seasonal colds and flu. Manuka honey, in particular, is known for its potent immune-boosting effects. 4. Soothes sore throats and coughs, a soothing remedy that's been trusted for generations. Honey can be particularly comforting for sore throats and coughs. It acts as a natural cough suppressant and coats the throat, providing relief from irritation. Studies even show that honey can be as effective as some over-the-counter cough medicines. 5. Promotes better sleep. A good night's sleep can become elusive as we get older. Consuming honey before bed can improve sleep quality by providing a steady release of glucose, which supports the brain's production of serotonin and melatonin hormones that regulate sleep cycles. A teaspoon of honey in a cup of warm milk or herbal tea can be a simple and effective bedtime ritual. 6. Enhances skin health. Maintaining healthy, hydrated skin is important as we age. Honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can promote wound healing and reduce the appearance of scars and wrinkles. Its natural humectant properties help keep the skin hydrated and supple, which is especially beneficial as skin tends to dry out with age. 7. Supports heart health. Heart health becomes even more crucial as we age. The antioxidants in honey may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering LDL bad cholesterol, increasing HDL good cholesterol, and improving blood circulation. Honey can also help reduce triglycerides, which are linked to heart disease and metabolic syndrome. 8. Blood sugar management. Managing blood sugar levels becomes increasingly important as we age. Unlike refined sugars, honey has a lower glycemic index, meaning it causes a slower, steadier rise in blood sugar levels. For those over 50 who may be managing prediabetes or diabetes, honey can be a better alternative to processed sugars, though it should still be consumed in moderation. 9. Cognitive support. Protecting brain health is essential as we age. Honey's antioxidants may benefit brain health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, potentially helping to improve memory and cognitive function, an important consideration for anyone over 50. 10. Improves digestive health. As digestive issues become more common with age, honey can be a natural solution. It helps soothe conditions like acid reflux, gastritis, and ulcers by balancing stomach acidity and promoting the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Honey is also a natural prebiotic, supporting overall gut health. For those of us over 50, honey is more than just a sweet treat, it's a versatile addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're using it to sweeten your tea as a natural remedy or as part of your skincare routine, honey offers a range of benefits that can help you maintain your health and vitality as you age. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.